Good morning, everyone. So in the previous classes, we understood how to develop a REST API, and we understood how to develop a provider. We understood how to develop a consumer, and we also discussed about how to work with microservices, what is monolithic architecture, what is microservices architecture, what is monolithic architecture, what is microservices architecture, how to develop our applications by using microservices, what is service registry, what is admin server, what is Jipkin server, what is FIAN client, what is a config server, what is API gateway, how to implement filters in the API gateway, how to implement routings in the API gateway, okay, and what is config server, what is config client, how to reload the properties of our application without restarting the server. All these concepts we discussed so far. Okay, now anybody having any questions on these topics that we have learned so far? Did you guys do the practice of these microservices, whatever we have learned? Whatever microservices that we have learned, did you guys get the chance to do the practice? Guys, come on. Did you get the chance to practice the microservices that we have learned from the last 4 days? I think we completed 4 classes on this microservices development. So did you get the chance in order to practice these concepts from the microservices? And anybody facing any issue with this microservices development? Any questions anybody having? You can ask me. I'm here to help you with respect to that. I'm here to help you with respect to that. Can you tell me, do you have any questions? Guys, you have option to unmute your mic. You have the option to unmute your mic. So could you please unmute your mic and tell me, are you facing any problem? Any doubt? Anybody?
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Sir, I am getting some errors, sir, to run.
In Microsoft,
Yes, sir.
yeah, Kavita, you can share your screen and show me what is the error. And I have given one assignment also related to consumer development. So did you guys develop that consumer also? Kavita, you can share your screen. You can show me what is the problem you are facing. So it is
Sir,
your service registry application.
no, sir. Welcome API.
Welcome API. Open that. 1 minute, 1 minute. So first of all, stop everything. Stop all the projects. Right click on the service registry project and close them. Close that. Close unrelated projects.
Okay.
Right click on the service registry.
I'm running Welcome API project, sir. I'm getting an error.
No. I'm talking about first go to service registry. Right click on this. Open that. Yeah, right click and close unrelated projects.
Okay.
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 Open that. Go to the properties file. YML file. Port number 8761. Okay, let's update this project once and start this. Maven update the project. Force update. Yeah. Run this application. Yeah, open the Eureka dashboard. Open the Eureka dashboard. I can't see the dashboard. I can see only your IDE.
Yes, sir.
Kavita, share your screen properly.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Eureka dashboard. Now go to admin server and run that.
The entire screen sharing is not there.
No, there is,
How?
can you click on share screen? The first option you need to select.
Okay.
Yeah, now go to admin server, start your admin server. Run the admin server and access that. Guys, if anybody facing the problem, please open your IDE and start working on this. So I will be there to help you. Yeah, now start the Jipkin server also. If anybody facing any issue, please join with your laptop and start working on this. You should be able to develop this microservices project.
Sir, through admin server, we can stop the particular service sir, using Acquia.
Sorry, sir, can you come again?
Through admin server, we can stop the particular service, sir. Particular service if you
No,
want
sir.
to stop.
If you enable shutdown endpoint, then you can do that.
Okay, sir. Okay. In the admin server only.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay. Suppose if you have like application at properties application hyphen dev and welcome.dev and welcome, in which priority it will be taken, sir? Properties order if you
If you
configure
whichever
the
the profile
configuration.
you enable, it will take that based on the profile name.
The Jipkin
Okay, sir.
server
That's
also I am
clear.
getting error, sir.
What is that error? Failed to start it.
Yes, sir.
Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Address already in use. So it is saying that the earlier your Jipkin server not stopped properly. The port number 9411 is in use. That is the reason it is failing. You have not stopped that port number properly earlier. Now go to task manager and you need to kill the services. Go to task manager. Go to processes which are running. Spring tool suite. Below that you can see the Java processes. Open the Spring tool suite.
Okay.
That Java process only that are there. No, not that. You need to check the Java processes, background processes which are running. You need to kill your Java processes which are running, because you already started Jenkins server earlier. You have not stopped properly. So 9411 port number is in use. That's why you are facing the problem. You are unable to start the Jenkins server now.
So how to stop this server?
Scroll down and check the Java processes which are running. Type Java. Yeah, stop them. End
So
it. All the Java you need to stop. Scroll down. Check it. Any other Java process running? Yeah. Now you need to restart your admin server, service registry, and first start the Jenkins server now. In the command prompt to check it again. Is it starting or not?
okay.
Yeah, now it is working. Now start your service registry and admin server also.
So okay.
Yes, it is running. Now run your service registry and admin server both. Your Jenkins server is already running. Now run your welcome API. Before running, show me the properties file of welcome API. Application name, client URL, port, Eureka, endpoint. Yes, that's fine. Update your welcome API and start that. Maven, update that project. Yes, it started. Now go to Eureka dashboard and check that. Go to Eureka dashboard and check it.
Yes.
Yes, it is registered now. Welcome API registered with the Eureka server and it is registered with the admin server also.
Okay.
Aita, your problem is solved, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. So you can work on the remaining parts that we have discussed with the microservices.
Okay, sir.
Anyone else guys facing any other issue? Anyone else who is facing the other issue? And whatever the microservices classes we had, last 4 classes, Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday, and today, we completed 4 sessions on the microservices. So anybody having any questions on that part?
Sir,
Yes.
I have started admin server and I'm registered successfully. But when I clicking on that particular microservice, it is showing like page not found like that.
Yeah, that means you need to enable actuator info endpoint, then it will give the information of that. If you click on that microservice name in the admin server, it is giving error because info endpoint is not enabled. That's why you are facing that problem.
I gave like star management endpoint for that one.
Info you need to write manually, you need to specify that info endpoint.
Okay, okay.
So sometimes the string ID, STS ID is giving some error while connecting, sir. What could be the issue?
What error it is giving?
While opening creating a Spring started project, it is.
Sir, if your internet connection is not stable, then it will give that, sir. Otherwise, it won't give.
Okay. From office also, it is like that only, sir. That's what office internet should be fine, right? So.
No, sir, it should not give that problem. Maybe in the office, they might have the VPN connection issues might be there, then you can't create it. They may not allow you to connect with the Maven central repositories. So in that case, you may get the problem. In otherwise, you don't get that issue.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Sir, why do we need to go to XML file to YML files?
Not XML file to YML file, sir. Properties file to
files.
YML. So I will explain what is the differences between the properties file and YML file. Property files are outdated. YML files are trending in the market. What is the reason behind that? I will explain. Okay. Yep. Any other questions anyone having? Anybody doing the practice of that project? Whatever we have discussed in the microservices. And I want to check with you people, guys. All of you okay to attend the classes at 7 a.m. daily instead of 9:30? Is it okay for you 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. classes daily?
Sir, at least 7:30 would be fine, sir. 7 a.m. is too early.
No, sir, no.
Plus 7, we have GRTP class, sir.
7 not possible, sir. When it
Actually, the thing is, sir, there are some pending topics available for JRTP and SBMS. For both, I mean, to say what are the topics are, that is the circuit breaker. So what I want to do is, so we need to discuss about some of the pending topics here. Those topics are, one is the circuit breaker. Okay. What is the circuit breaker design pattern in the microservices? And I need to explain about Spring security. Then I need to explain about Docker and Jenkins and JUnit. And along with these things, before this Spring security, we need to talk about Kafka and we need to talk about Redis. And then Spring security, these are the tools. Some tools are pending. Docker, Jenkins and JUnit, some tools are pending for us. So mainly we need to talk about this circuit breaker concept. Kafka, Redis and Spring security topics are available. Then tools are available. Docker, Jenkins and JUnit tools are available. So it will take 2 weeks of time or 10 days of time in order to complete all these topics. So the same topics I need to explain for morning 7 o'clock JRTP batch also. So that's why I want to take a combined session for both Spring Boot people and JRTP people. So JRTP is happening morning at 7 a.m. Spring Boot is happening at 9:30 a.m. So for both sessions, for both batches, so these are the common topics I have to cover now. So microservice is common, we covered that. Now the continuation for that microservices, we need to learn circuit breaker, Kafka, Redis, security, and some tools that we need to learn. So if you guys are okay, then I can take a combined session for both Spring Boot and JRTP people morning at 7 or 7:15 a.m.
It's difficult to
Sir,
at 7
okay.
a.m. sir when
Yes,
you drop
sir.
the queue.
Yes, sir.
So how many people are having difficulty to join at 7 a.m.? Who is having the difficulty to join at 7 a.m.? Because it's 2 weeks of sessions that we need to do from morning 7 to 9. 2 hours I will take per day. For both batches, I can take a combined session so that our time can be saved.
Sir,
For
can
me,
you
it's not possible,
keep
sir.
at 7:30, sir? Possible?
Yeah, that's fine, sir. 7 or 7:30, anything is okay.
Till
Because
8 o'clock,
Didn't
it's
give
not
to
possible
time for
for me, sir.
breakfast also. Sunday.
Sir,
Sorry,
we have
sir?
some other schedule. We have some other class.
I will check that, sir. I will check how can we take these classes. Fine. Next, any other questions anyone having that we learned in the
Ashok, I have
microservices?
one query. So, are you going to cover transaction management in microservices?
Yes, we will cover that is with the Kafka. We are going to learn that.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, JWT or what?
Yes, sir. Those are part of Spring Security.
Okay.
So we are going to learn Spring Security, right? Basic authentication, JWT token, OAuth tokens will be covered as part of our Spring Security.
So Spring Cloud and Jira tools, sir.
Spring Cloud in the microservices, whatever we use, that is Spring Cloud. Eureka server, Fian client, config server, these all are the Spring Cloud concepts only.
Okay, so in the tools in Jira, sir, Jira and Agile, sir.
Jira is not part of our SBMS. I think in the JRTP I covered. So in the SBMS, you can see the course content. What are the tools are there? We are going to cover.
Okay, okay, sir. In the introduction classes, you says that, sir.
Okay, I will see that. So I think for JRTP already Jira is covered. For SBMS, I have not covered the Jira. I can share that video.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. And I have given one task on the REST consumer development, guys. How many of you able to complete that? How many of you able to complete that task? I have given my provider details for Make My Trip development. How many of you able to complete that Make My Trip application to communicate with IRCTC provider?
Sir, I have done.
You have completed that. Can you show me that project which you have completed?
Okay, sir.
So guys, do you remember before starting the microservices, I have given one task. I have given my provider details also for you. I have given the Swagger documentation of my provider. So I told you people to develop a Make My Trip application, which is going to act as a consumer. You need to book the ticket and you need to display the tickets which are already booked. So how many of you able to complete that application? Anyone can show me the project which is completed. So I asked you people to complete that project by using REST template. I asked you people to complete that project by using REST template. How many of you able to complete it?
I am sharing my screen.
Your name? What is your name, sir?
Siddharth.
Yeah, you can share it. Guys, observe whatever the task that I have given in the last Friday session, the related to consumer development. Yes. Can you go to book ticket? Yes. Can you show me the book ticket functionality? Yes. Book a ticket now.
Yeah, I'm about to submit.
Yes, sir, you can.
So the ticket book
Ticket booked
success.
successfully. View the tickets. Show the tickets which you booked. Yeah, scroll down. Yeah, so
Yeah,
whatever the ticket is booked, you are able to see the ticket. Can you show the code for that?
yeah, sure. So this is my controller class, and yeah, like this is the starting page, like index page, and
Where you will
then
get all the tickets and you will. Can you open that service layer?
yeah, sure.
Get all the tickets. Yes. So these are our REST API endpoint URLs. Booking the ticket and getting the tickets URL by using REST template. We are able to do this. Very good.
Sir, yeah, I can see like when you was doing this, right? So when you registered the ticket on the same time only you having the header, right? But in my case, that is not visible. If
That
I
means
go,
that nav bar you need to add in both pages.
okay.
Go to your HTML.
So I have added here.
Yeah, copy the nav bar. Line number 12 to line number 35. Yeah, copy. Go to that HTML. Yeah, above the div inside above the container, above the line before line number 12. Before that, yes. Fine. Save it. Yes.
But if I'm clicking on the home, right? So why?
You need to give the hyperlinks properly.
Okay.
Check
Okay.
the nav bar hyperlinks.
Yeah.
So he is able to develop the consumer application, which is communicating with the provider application, guys. So here we developed our consumer by using REST template. Can anyone tell me what is REST template and how it will work in the background? Can anyone tell me what is REST template and how it is working in the background? Guys, someone please respond.
We use it to make an API call using the third-party URL.
Someone please respond what is REST template and why we are using that REST template.
Sir, REST template we are using for communicating with another API, like REST API.
REST template is a class which is used for communication that is going to communicate synchronously.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
what is the alternate for the REST template we have?
Web client.
Web client.
Web client we are having, FIAN client also we are having. Okay,
Yes,
in which scenario we need to go for web client? In which scenario we need to go for FIAN client?
Asynchronous communication.
Asynchronous communication.
When you want to go for asynchronous communication, we will go for FIAN web client. When we will go for FIAN client?
Inter-service communication.
Inter-service communication.
Yeah, what is the meaning of inter-service communication?
One API communicating with other API.
One API communicating with the another API is called as a inter-service communication. So now we have completed this. Siddharth completed IRCTC provider communication by using Make My Trip. So now Siddharth, you communicated with the IRCTC by using REST template. Now you need to do the changes to communicate by using web client. Okay, you communicated with that by using REST template. So today I want you to do the analysis and you communicate with that by using web client.
Yeah,
so
sure.
I want all of you to complete these two projects here, guys. Whatever we have done, you need to complete the Make My Trip application. That is the Friday task I have given. Make My Trip application development. Make My Trip application development. First, you have done that by using REST template. Now, by using web client, how to communicate from consumer to provider, and whatever the microservices project we have developed, microservices project development. Whatever the 4 classes I have taken on the microservices, how to develop that project by using config server also, and Make My Trip application development you need to try today by using web client. Already I have given my provider details, the notes also updated for you. So tomorrow I will check this one. If you guys are able to do it with the web client, that is okay. Otherwise I will explain how to use web client in order to communicate from one microservice to, one REST API to another REST API. One application to another application, how to communicate. Already we have seen by using REST template. Now, same thing we need to implement by using web client also. And you should be able to complete the mini project, microservices project, whatever we have developed in the 4 classes. That code also I have already uploaded in the Git repository. Notes also already available in the Git repository, and backup videos also already available. So you should be able to complete this microservices development and this API development, Make My Trip application development. Then I'm going to talk about the remaining pending topics available in the microservices. Okay. So I see some people are having issue with the 7 a.m. Okay, so no need to join at the 7 a.m. guys. I will confirm in 1 or 2 days how can we join these 2 batches for the combined topics. If they are also having a timing issue, then 7 o'clock class will happen, 9 o'clock class also will happen parallelly. So can you guys complete these 2 projects by today, so that we will start a new topic tomorrow?
Sir, for REST template, you have given another URL, right, sir? Ticket/email.
That yes, you can access that also.
That I tried on the day only. It was showing some server error like that.
So I will check it in the provider if that did I implement that or not.
Okay.
Sir, through plain client, can you do like asynchronous communication, sir? Plain client.
Yes, sir, we can do that also.
Asynchronous.
Sir, one more thing, in databases relationships, that one it's not
That
covered,
is pending topic. Yes, with the REST API we will implement the relationships also.
Okay.
So guys, can you complete these 2 projects by today, so that I will start the new topic tomorrow? I want everyone to complete Make My Trip application development with web client and a microservices project that we have to complete.
Okay, sir.
Okay, tomorrow we'll start the new topic. If you can complete web client, that's fine. Otherwise, I will explain web client tomorrow.
Hello.
Okay, good.
Okay, sir.
Thank you guys. So please do the practice. If you are facing any issue, please let me know in the WhatsApp group.
Hello.
So all of you got the microservices Git repository? All of you got the microservices Git repository?
Yes,
Notes and videos. Please respond. All of you got the microservices repository access?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please work on that project today, guys. Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow at 9:30.